Welcome to the video about the biggest trading mistake beginners make every day. Most beginners lose money not because their strategy is bad, but because of one critical mistake. Today we're going to break down that mistake and show you how to avoid it. This common beginner mistake is a constant account killer. Learning to recognize and eliminate it is the first step toward profitable trading. I'll explain the biggest trading mistake beginners make and give you actionable advice on how you can avoid it, starting today. The biggest mistake is trading without a clear, defined plan. This is the root of almost all beginner trading failures. Many new traders jump into trades simply because they see the price moving, often chasing the market without understanding the risk or potential outcome. A lack of a plan leads to emotional decisions and losses. Professional traders never enter a trade without knowing their risk, setting a stop loss, and defining a profit target. Another major pitfall is overtrading, which stems from the mistaken belief that constant activity equals constant profits. Beginners often believe that more trades equate to more profit. But in the volatile market, this usually leads to increased mistakes and unnecessary stress. In reality, overtrading quickly increases transaction costs, magnifies small errors, and adds to your mental load, leading to burnout and bigger losses. The best traders prioritize quality over quantity. They trade less frequently, but only take high-quality, high-probability setups that align with their strategy. Most beginners ignore the fundamental pillar of successful trading, risk management. This is a fast track to destroying your trading account. A common sign of ignoring risk is increasing lot size after losses, trying to, quote, win it back, or moving a stop loss emotionally, hoping the market will turn around. Professional traders always protect their capital first. They understand that preserving their account is the priority, and profits are a natural result of disciplined trading. If you want tools to help you trade with more structure and clarity, I recommend checking out VIP indicators. These tools are designed to provide the structure and clarity needed to overcome the common mistakes we've discussed. VIP indicators help traders clearly identify trend direction and momentum, providing objective data to support your decisions, reducing emotional trades. They help reduce bad trades and remove unnecessary chart noise. You can explore VIP indicators using my affiliate link below in the description.